Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder settings. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder settings, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about Tinder. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. And then here in this window you click clear, don't click clear data because it may make errors on your app. And after that you can go to your airplane mode. You can click here to turn on. Then you will wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.